Hi guys, this is Nina. I want to introduce Brett. Join my video.
Hello!
Because today we are making chocolate macarons. Brett and most of his friends are all macaron lovers. Particularly,
Chocolate macaroons.
Brett has knee operation a few weeks ago. There's not much he can do now. So,
I want to set myself a challenge in making chocolate macaroons.
let's see what are the ingredients to prepare. Let's make the chocolate filling. First, we'll put room temperature butter in the bowl and whisk. Now we put sugar into the butter and continue whisking in a very low speed. Continue whisking in high speed to combine the butter and the sugar. Now let's have a look, see if the whisking is complete. Yes, now the color becomes pale. It is done.
Right, so when the butter and the sugar get mixed together and it becomes this pale color, you know that you can go on to the next step. This is the first time I've ever actually done anything like this, so I'm learning as well. So when it starts to have a light, sort of light, creamy white color, you know that it's done and you can move on to the next step.
Now we add melted chocolate into the buttercream.
Oh yeah.
And combine them completely. The chocolate filling is completed. Now we need to add this in a piping bag. Woohoo! Now we put chocolate filling into the piping bag.
I first try a small amount, okay? Go in. Like this. Hey, success!
Now we put the piping bag into the refrigerator for later use. The next stage is to make macaron shells. We use room temperature eggs. We will need to separate egg white and egg yolks. Brett, have you ever separate egg white and egg yolks?
No, I've never done it before.
So, it will be challenging for you today.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting.
So, let's try.
Watch this. So the mission is to get the egg white and the egg yolk separated. Here we go. Oh, jeez, that was too quick. Okay.
Oh!
Ah, it's broken! Ah! Oh no! On my first attempt, I already made a mistake. The egg yolk fell in, so I'm gonna try and get it out. See if I can save this egg. Oh no, I can save a part of the egg. Should I try and save it?
No, it's too messy.
Oh, we gotta start again. I barely started, we gotta start again. Okay, hold on, we'll start again. Alright, let's try it again. Here we go. This time we've gotta get all three in one shot. Okay, it's a good start. Okay, it's a good start. There's egg white. Okay, get most of it. And then we try and catch it with this one. Okay, okay. And we're trying to get it out. Okay, all good. Oh. And egg yolk. Yeah! Success. Next one. Oh, this one looks good. Oh. Oh. Yes. Come on, little guy. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on! Yeah, nope. Good enough. 2. 3. 4. Yes. Yes. Come on! Yes! 3, done!
Now we need to sieve almond meal and the sugar.
Okay, hey Nina, what do I do with this stuff? Check it out. These bits and pieces in the bottom.
Discard them.
Discard them? Okay. Let's continue the whole thing and we do the rest of the mixture.
I don't mind that you do a little bit faster, Brett.
Okay, Nina, let's do it a little bit faster. Let's go, part 2. La 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 la.
I think it's a little bit too high, Brett. Yes, thank you.
It's snowing.
Now we want to whisk our egg white. We pour all the egg white into the bowl. And add cream of tartar inside the egg white. Let's start whisking.
Let's whisk, baby.
Whisking after 3 minutes. Now we need to add sugar into the egg white. Let's check our egg white whisking. Once we put the bowl upside down, the egg white doesn't fall out. Here you go, Brett. You want to try? It's a successful egg white. Brett, can you show me your successful egg white? Very good. Today we are making chocolate macaroons, so we add some cocoa powder and some instant coffee powder into our almond meal. And use spatula, mix them. We need to combine our egg white and the almond meal mixture together. First, we add 1/3 of our egg white into the powder mixture. And fold it.
Hey Nina, how do I know when it's ready?
When the mixture is smoothly can running down from your spatula, you know that it's ready.
So this is not ready yet?
No.
Help me, Nina.
You can turn the bowl, you know, to help yourself.
Ah, that makes it much easier.
Let's see if it's running. It is running, but it's not.
Can be more.
Yeah. I think our mixture is ready. Now the mixture are done. We need to put the mixture into the piping bag. Now, Brett, you need to squeeze the mixture on the top of the macaron silicone mat. Shall we start?
Okay, let's go. Hey. Right, so I've never done that before, and actually it's a lot more difficult than it looks. You think you're just going to squeeze, but actually to keep them the same size is quite difficult. It's a lot of fun, but it takes a lot of concentration, and I have a few that have failed. This one. So I have a new respect for this, but I can't wait to eat these.
Do you want to introduce how French people call that?
So, I've been told that actually the very, very top of the macaron should be a sharp shape that's going up, and that apparently in France they are known as young girls' nipples, just so you know.
Okay, Brett, now we need to knock the plate to let the big air come out. Okay, and then we put on the side to let it dry.
Hey Nina, how do we know when the macaron shells are ready for baking?
Very easy. Use your fingers to feel it. As long as the shell doesn't stuck into your fingers, that means they are ready for baking. Have you checked here?
Yep, these seem they're all good.
Okay, let's start baking.
Let's bake.
Now, let's set the oven at 140 degrees C for 5 minutes and 130 degrees C for 12 minutes. And we can bake. After 5 minutes baking, we can clearly see the macaron feet already grew out. It's very exciting to see it. Then we can see it is successful macaron today. Our first plate of chocolate macaron is done. Now we can open the oven and have a look.
Wow, look at that. Can I take it out?
Yes, just be careful.
Wow. I made that entire tray, so I'm very proud that it came out all right. I can't wait to taste it now, but first, we're not done yet.
Now the macaron completely cooled down. We need to put the chocolate filling in between. Yeah, so Brett, you can assemble. Put the chocolate filling, squeeze in a circle.
This is the chocolate filling, and you can squeeze it in a circular pattern. It's my first time.
Now, put another half on the top, like a sandwich. Very gently, do not squeeze.
So this is our completed chocolate macaroon for today. This is what we made, and it's the first time I've ever made chocolate macaroons, and now I really have an appreciation how difficult this is to make, and also how delicious they are too. Cool, so far so good.
If you like chocolate filling, you can put more.
There you go.
That looks very delicious, right?
Thank you. Not a bad first try. So nice and gently on top. There. Now let's do a couple more. One.
Gently, yeah.
Put more chocolate in this one because I really love chocolate. Okay, now there's 3. Right, we're finally finished and we can test the delicious looking macarons.
You can start.
Me? Right. I'm gonna try with this one. Okay. Oh man. Here we go. Oh. That's good. The outside is nice and soft and the inside is crunchy. Oh.
Chewy, right? How about the chocolate filling? Can you taste it?
So delicious. It's not too sweet, not too sour, because it's a really good mix of dark and milk chocolate. It's perfect. Oh.
And with coffee, I'm sure it's the best combination.
Oh, so good. You know why it's so good? Because you can see at the edge of the macaroon, it's nice and crunchy. There's a crunch. There's a chewy layer on the side. In the middle, it's really soft. So it's a perfect combination of chewy and hard and soft and sweet and. Oh, man.
That's even better.
Oh man. And you wash it down with some coffee. The perfect break for any work day or any time you have a lot of stress and you just want to relax. Beautiful.
Is it fun to bake with me?
Yeah, I really never thought I would enjoy baking this much, but it was really fun and really enjoyable. It's a good way to relax.
So it's a good day today.
Today was a good day.
With me.
With Nina.
So bake with me next time.
Thank you for watching our video today. This has been another episode of Nina's Australian Kitchen, and today I was lucky enough to be part of the video. If you've liked the video, please give us a like. If you really enjoyed it, give us a subscribe and you'll be the first to receive all of Nina's newest videos.
Thank you.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Bye. Come on.